This amazing 5-bedroom, fully detached duplex is in the market for 820 million naira. Now, it comes with a swimming pool, comes with a fully fitted kitchen, comes with a gym, a cinema. It has everything to make your living condition worth your while. So, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to flip the camera and I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this lovely property. So, but before I go into the business of the day, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Take a second to like, subscribe, share this video with a lover. Drop a comment what you think about this amazing building. So without wasting much of your time, let's go into the business of the day. So come with me and let's start this house together. Okay, so welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today we are inspecting this 5-bedroom fully detached duplex. Actually, is 5 units. So this one is the corner piece. It comes with a swimming pool and is selling for 820 million naira. Comes with the building approval, global CFO. So before going in, I needed to show you the environment. It's an habitable environment, you know, secured, very very accessible to anywhere you want to go. The roads are paved. Okay, so before going in, this is the car park area. It's quite spacious. You can park 4 cars right here. So this is the carport area, and this is the building proper. So let me show you the building proper from this angle, so you can see the building from this angle. Okay, so we have this building comes with a swimming pool and a security house. So this right here is the security house, and over there you have your swimming pool area. So before going inside the house, let me show you the swimming pool area around the house, then showing you interior of this house. So right here you have your swimming pool area. You see it's quite spacious, generous with the space. So you have a sizable pool, a big pool. You have space for you to build a gazebo for your relaxation. And over there you have your water filtration unit to filter your water and your pumping machine. So we're supplying you clean and potable water. So by the side you have your flower pot for your greenery, you know, to beautify the environment, to give you cool breeze, natural air. You know, every home needs to have greenery. You know, supplies you clean, fresh, pristine air. Okay, and also beautifies the environment. Okay, so this is the pool area, and this right here is the backyard. So this door takes you back into the kitchen, but it's locked. So just know you have an exit from the kitchen to outside the compound, and this is it. Okay, so you have your scaffolding for your tank, to mount your tank. You have your switch, and also this building comes with a BQ. So this right here is your boys quarter. So you have a boys quarter for your domestic staff. Okay, so this is boys quarter for your domestic staff. Okay, so moving on, this is the compound space. As you can see the space between the building and the wall. You have these beautiful wall lights, you know, to beautify the compound. You know, once it's dark, the whole place is illuminated. Okay, so still on the side. So okay, so this is coming back outside the compound space. So you have your flower pot area right by this side, and also have a tap, the water tap. So to supply you water if you want to wash your car or you feel like washing something outside. So, and also this building has a CCTV camera for your security. You have one by this side overlooking this side, so you can see who's at this walkway. You have one right here. one CCTV camera right here, and also you have one over there by the pole. Let me go close so you can see it. So you have one over there by the pole. You know, so you can get this angle. Okay, so let's step inside the building proper. Okay, by this side you have your porch, the front porch. Okay, so this is your front porch that ushers you inside the building. So you have this main staircase right here. This beautiful design by this side, beautiful architectural design. Okay, so stepping in, you are first of all greeted with this security door, a private security door that comes with a biometric control. So it's fingerprint, and also can take your pictures. Okay, so over here you have your ante room. This is your visitors waiting area, and by this side you have your guest toilet. Have your guest toilet by this side, and also by this side you have your guest room. So all rooms are en suite. So all rooms are en suite. Okay, so you have this beautiful TV console by this side. Okay, and this right here is your toilet and your bathroom for your visitors room. Okay, so let's go to the living area. So this is your living area. So your living area. So you have your beautiful wine rack over here. So you can just put in your wines. Beautiful. Also, you have your windows by this side to give you natural light and good ventilation. Okay, so check out your TV console. So and over here you have this beautiful artificial plant, to beautify your living space. It's beautiful. It's an artificial plant actually, so it's beautiful, beautify the space. Okay. So this is your living area. Okay, so over here is your kitchen. Over here is your kitchen. So it's a fully fitted kitchen. Comes with washing machine, refrigerator, microwave, an oven. So is your double sink. Comes with your heat extractor and your gas burner, and also your refrigerator. Okay, so and also lots and lots of cabinet space to store your condiments. So this door takes you outside the compound. It's locked. Let's see. Can open. Oh, it's locked. Okay, so this door takes you back outside the compound space. So you have an exit right here in the kitchen. Okay, so we're done with this ground floor. Let's head upstairs. So this building is sitting on this property sitting on 2 floors. You have one room, the guest room on the ground floor. Then you have 2 rooms on the first floor, and we also have two rooms on the last floor. So we're at the first floor level. So this is your family lounge. Okay, just have to put in the light. Okay, so the family lounge comes with this beautiful TV console and also a window. Okay, so this is the side balcony you can access. You have your room right here. Okay, so this is room one on this floor. Also give you access to a balcony. So, but before going there, so I needed to show you the rooms so you can see the space. Okay, so this is your balcony. I guess this should be the madam's room. So this is bathroom, your shower area, your mirror, your toilet seats, and your water heater. And over there you have your wardrobe. Okay. So by this side you have your gym room. It's a mini gym. Love this black rug. Okay. Okay. So you have your mirror by this side. You know, when you're working out, you need to be looking at yourself so you can monitor your progress. If you're doing the forms right, if you're actually doing the workout right. So this right here, it's a space for your gym area. So this comes with the building. And right here, you have a cinema room still under construction, still constructing it. So it's for us to pad it up and make it ready for you to move in. So you have another room by this floor. So you have two rooms on this floor. You have a madam's room and also the kids' room. So this is your kid room. It's even functional. So your wife can monitor the kids. It's very easy. Just walk across the hallway and go to the kids' room. So you can monitor the kids, monitor what they are doing. If there's any problem, you can just quickly come into their room and know what's the matter. Okay. So this is the bathroom. It's the bathroom for it. Okay. Okay. So we are done with this floor. Let's head to the last floor where you can see the master's bed and the other room. Okay. So yeah, so this floor is the last floor of this building. Last floor of this building. Okay, so let's check out this room. Okay, so before going in, I had to put on the light so you can see how beautiful it is. So this beautiful wall light and LED light. Okay, so let's check out this room. You can see. Okay, see how beautiful the rooms are. So you have your closet by this side. Oh, it's a two-way closet. So you can walk through this part. You can come in through the side. You can come in through the other side. So you have a TV console, still serving as yeah, a divide between the room and the closet. Okay, so you have your bathroom, bathtub. Okay, very beautiful. With a suspended WC by this side. Okay, so let's check out the last room on this floor. Okay, so this is your master's bedroom. See how spacious it comes in an L shape. So I'm just going to look at it from this side. So this is your beautiful TV console. By this side, you have your windows by that side, and you have access to your rooftop terrace, beautified with beautiful flower pots. So you can see neighborhood from here. Okay, so this is your closet. And this is your bathroom. So it's like the same design with the previous room I just left. So the design of the bathroom is the same. No, so yeah. So I would say that room I just left is the madam's room. Then those two rooms downstairs is the kids' room. So if you have more than one kid, a boy and a girl kid, so one can occupy one room while the other occupy the second room. But if they are little kids, you can just make use of the room adjacent them so you can monitor them. They are little kids. Okay, so we come to the end of this video. This property is in the market for 820 million naira. Comes with global CFO and the building approval. It's available. So call the number that's showing on your screen and let's book an inspection. I'm sure you're going to love this building. So till I come your way next time, thank you and God bless you.